celebrating World Book Week all week. Your teachers have planned loads of fun activities, challenges, and lessons for you all to enjoy all week long. We're going to kick off our World Book Week today by checking out some really exciting authors from around the United Kingdom. I wonder which books you're going to have a chance to explore in your own classes. On Tuesday, your teachers have a special surprise for each class. I wonder what it's going to be. And on Wednesday, I know that Miss Perrin has organised a really exciting virtual visit from our local librarians. Each class will have an opportunity to learn all about the library and how you can read as many books as you want for free. I wonder how many of you have already signed up for the Libby app, or how many of you already have a library card. Make sure you join us on Wednesday for our librarian assembly and our librarian virtual visit. On Thursday, we'll be celebrating World Book Day. On World Book Day, I hope to see everyone's incredible costumes that are based on their favourite characters and their favourite books. What do you think your teachers will wear? I know that lots of your teachers have given you some really cool ideas of how you can make your own costume at home. Remember, you don't need to spend any money to make a costume. You can just use cardboard or recyclable materials or even some old clothes that you have to make up your own costume. How creative can you get? I wonder what I'm going to dress up as this year. What do you think? Be sure to bring along your book or page from your book that you've dressed up as to share with your class on Zoom. I know your teachers will give you all a chance to either read some of your book or describe your costume to your friends. It'll be really cool to see what everyone's dressed up as. And finally, to end World Book Week on Friday, we're going to celebrate some incredible illustrators from all around the world. I know that your teachers have planned some really exciting art lessons so that you can explore the world of illustration, the other side of books that we don't always learn how to do. I've also set up some really special challenges for you to all take part in this week. One of our challenges is happening all week long, and it's our Extreme Reading Challenge. Can you take a photo of yourself reading in a really crazy place? How extreme can you get? Make sure you share your extreme reading photo on your class Google stream or on our Twitter. I'd love to see where you've been reading this week. We've also got a masked reader competition happening all week. Keep checking back on our school YouTube account to listen to some of our fantastic books being read by our mystery readers. I wonder if you can figure out who the mystery readers are. Finally, I'm going to be checking in on everyone's Bug Club reading. I wonder who will be our biggest reader this week? Who can read the most books and answer the most quizzes on Bug Club? I can't wait to hear all of the incredible books that you're going to be exploring this week. Happy World Book Week, everyone, and I'll see you all soon.